Hey, have you ever filled out an online registration form where your details were grouped so neatly, like your personal information on one side and the payment details on the other side? So that's not magic. That is with the help of just two simple HTML tags, the field set and the legend tag. So let's see how it's created. So first thing first, you simply need a form tag, then simply this field set tag. So this tag is simply used to group elements, that is related elements together in a form. And this legend tag is simply the title for your group. So this will be the title for your group simply. Then let's say inside your personal information, you will simply have your name and your email. Then simply for name, you just need to have a label tag that is for your name. Then as you know, whenever you use label tag, you need to use a for attribute. Let's say name only. Then one input field simply with the type as text, as if you want to enter your name, the type should be text. And as you know, the ID would be same as the for attribute value, that is your name. So here you have your name input field. Then let's say for your email, then again the same thing, label again with, let's say this time email. Then again one more input field. This time it would be type simply email. As to have email, the type should be simply email. Then again your ID will be simply same as this again. And let's use a BR tag to give line breaks. Then let's have one more field set for your second group. As inside this field set, we simply have our personal information. So let's have one more field set with our login details, let's say. Then again, one legend tag with the title of this. So let's say login details. So let's again have some line breaks. Although if you will use CSS, then you can style this accordingly. But for now, as for HTML, I am giving line breaks. Then again, let's say here inside our login details, we will simply have username and password. So your label would be simply your username. So again the same thing for attribute with simply username. Then one more input field with simply the ID as username only. So this time again for username, the type would be text. Again simply. Then again some line breaks. So your second label would be simply for your password. So your input type would be simply password. Then again ID would be password as well. So here we have created two groups of our forms, like one for our personal information, that is for our name and email, and the other for login details like username and password simply. Looks cool, right? Neat and clean in a professional way. So whenever you will create forms, whether it would be login form, registration form, or even a survey form, always use field set and legend to make things clear and professional. So hope you understood about these two simple tags, and now we'll be able to create forms in a professional way. So see you all in the next one. Till then, take care.